Hi there people and welcome to Reverie. Welcome to Lakes Entrance, Victoria's coastal paradise where the Gippsland Lakes meet the ocean. From golden beaches and crystal clear waters to wildlife-rich wetlands and scenic lookouts, this hidden gem is the Aussie ultimate getaway. Join us as we explore breathtaking views, local seafood spots, and some of the best sunrise scenes on the east coast of Australia. Get ready, this is Lakes Entrance in 4K. Hi, here we are, Lakes Entrance. What a pretty little town, little fishing town. You can come here and get a beautiful boat tour into the Bass Strait. Really nice, lots of shops here, plenty of accommodation. Parking's a little bit of a hassle. Other than that, it's a beautiful little town. Behind me is the Cunningham Bridge. It takes you over the Gippsland Lakes onto the 90-mile beach, which of course is the entrance to Bass Strait. There is the entrance walk. This is the best known of Lakes Entrance great walks. A 5-kilometre circuit meanders along a bush track through Banksia, Tea Tree and Bubiala before making its way to the iconic entrance. It is now called the Hummocks Walk. In a town of just 8,000 people, it's amazing that Lakes Entrance has its own winery, called Wyanga Park Winery. Absolutely beautiful. Established in 1970 and a family-run business. You can come out here, you can see behind me that they have barbecues out here, they've got wood, they've got fire inside. A really good place to come here all year round. Really nice wines. The wines are very, very light, but they're very nice anyway. So come down to Wyanga Park Winery. Here we are at the start of 90-mile beach. 90-mile beach starts in the East Gippsland region. It separates the East Gippsland Lakes from Bass Strait. It starts here and it sort of ends in Lakes Entrance. So here's a quick look at 90-mile beach. Lakes Entrance, what a pretty little town, little fishing town. You can come here and get a beautiful boat tour out into the Strait, into the Bass Strait. Really nice, lots of shops here, plenty of accommodation. Parking's a little bit of a hassle, but other than that, it's a beautiful little town.